Hello, welcome to Vividora. Today we will learn 30 beautiful animals in English. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Dog, D-O-G, a loyal dog.
Cat, C-A-T, a sleepy cat.
Rabbit, R-A-B-B-I-T, a fast rabbit.
Hamster, H-A-M-S-T-E-R, a small hamster.
Parrot, P-A-R-R-O-T, a colorful parrot. Horse, H-O-R-S-E, a strong horse.
Cow, C-O-W, a milk cow. Pig, P-I-G, a pink pig.
Sheep, S-H-E-E-P, a woolly sheep. Chicken, C-H-I-C-K-E-N, a farm chicken. Duck, D-U-C-K, a white duck. Goat, G-O-A-T, a mountain goat. Donkey, D-O-N-K-E-Y, a gray donkey. Lion, L-I-O-N, a brave lion. Tiger, T-I-G-E-R, a fast tiger.
Elephant, E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, a big elephant.
Giraffe, G-I-R-A-F-F-E, a tall giraffe. Zebra, Z-E-B-R-A, a striped zebra.
Monkey, M-O-N-K-E-Y, a clever monkey.
Bear, B-E-A-R, a strong bear. Wolf, W-O-L-F, a wild wolf. Whale, W-H-A-L-E, a big whale. Dolphin, D-O-L-P-H-I-N, a smart dolphin. Shark, S-H-A-R-K, a fast shark. Turtle, T-U-R-T-L-E, a slow turtle. Snake, S-N-A-K-E, a long snake. Crocodile, C-R-O-C-O-D-I-L-E, a dangerous crocodile. Frog, F-R-O-G, a green frog. Penguin, P-E-N-G-U-I-N, a cold penguin. Butterfly. Butterfly. A pretty butterfly.
Great job! Now you know 30 animals. Watch again to remember them all. Don't forget to subscribe for more English lessons. See you next time!